Burlak. How to go to light together. How to go to Bora Bora to light together. First, play Roblox. Next, search light together. Next, join it. Next, you need have a car. Next, you need a car. Next, take you one all. Go to here. Go up, go. Next, you go over there. And this one, how to go Bora Bora to light together. You see like that? Go in. You see airplane? You need to go over here. You can go here. You can snow Bora Bora, but this coming soon. I'm going to here to the Bora Bora and pick it, and you can go to Bora Bora. I want now. Search, you go right there. Back again here and go in and get here and done. You can go Bora Bora. I can show you like that. You can Bora Bora. These are coming soon and like that. Have a snow. Yes. And done. And wait, you see that? In 3, 2, 1. You're done. Coming soon. Goodbye. Subscribe.